don't talk anymore. We don't talk anymore. We don't talk anymore like we used to do.
Okay, first off, you're going to go to your app. Make sure you download PicArt. We're going to start with PicArt by clicking on your PicArt. It's going to take you to the page. Then you click on the plus button, the one in purple. And go ahead and select a picture. Okay, first off, you want to start with using the FX icon over there. By clicking the FX icon over there, you're going to see where we're going to enter. Carefully do that. Then you go straight to magic under the FX icon and click on the 3 circles by the side to reduce the effect of the filter. You go back in to the FX and go to sketch. Click on the first edit icon you've seen there. That's going to bring up the lines. You know, it's a cartoon. You're trying to create a cartoon image, so you want to make sure there's the line there because it has to look like it was drawn. So you change the line from white to black. You can see the icons there where you can change all of them to any color, but black preferably. Then you go to the horizontal to arrange the line. Make sure it's on 0. When it's on 0, it's going to be arranged. And you can tick in the line if you want to, then save. Then we're going to go straight to cut out. We want to change the background. We want to make it look more cartoonish, if there's any word like that. Then select on person because we're trying to pick this whole image out of this particular background. Select on person and just press the person there. Just press that icon and it's going to automatically select what is in front. That's the image, the person. Then you go with your brush to touch other sides that is not selected, just to make sure it is well selected and everything is okay. Then you can go around and touch the part of the areas where you feel you need to touch. Don't worry about the other side. When you get to the next side and you see how you're going to edit that out. Okay, when you go to the feet, you adjust the image to how you want it to be. Then you can go ahead and press on the clean button icon out up there to clean the parts. That's to clean off those other extra parts there. You want to be careful and reduce the size of the brush so that it won't clean the whole image out. You can clean where you feel you need to clean, but for me, I just want to give it a particular kind of shape and a style, so I'm just going to clean up the sides. I'm going to clean up the sides. I'm doing it in a circular manner because of what I am trying to create. So you can make do of what you want to do. So just play around with it. It's so simple and just straightforward and fun to do. Then I adjust. This is me trying to actually see the best position I want it to be in. And when I'm done with that, we're just going to go ahead and save it here. Then we want to go further and extra, so we're going to go to sticker because it's kind of plain for me here, so I just want to go extra. So go ahead to the sticker make sure your data is on. I didn't pay subscribe to it, so my data is on. I'm using my data to work this. So I'm just going to go and search for dripping. There's a lot of stickers there, so you can just play around. I just want to go with a drip effect, and I'm going to pick the one close to the score, the one close to the purple green score. Then we're going to adjust this to the best position I want it to be. Then take it and adjust this. You can see what I'm doing. There are a lot of effects you can work with. I just wanted to do this so you can see how it is done. Then I'm going to go ahead to the blend icon. You see the blend icon below. I just want it to look good, and go ahead to screen, the next one. Screen is just going to give you this whole effect in the white background, and that is just it. I like the way it's looking. I love the whole outcome. It looks good for me. Then I still want to go extra with this whole thing, so I'm just going to go back to the sticker. You can decide to stop here if it's okay for you, but it's not by force to continue, but you can still keep trying out other new things. And I want to go out to search for a golden star, and that's the golden star there. There are a lot of stickers here. You can just search and you would see a different variety. You can just play around with what you want to play around with. It's just the fun thing. Then I'm just at this point, I was so confused. I didn't know what to do with this. I was just trying to get a particular position for the star to stay. You can see, you can play around. You can see what I'm doing. I'm just going and checking out and trying to see if what is fitting and what is not fitting. So you can just do that and just keep doing till you get to where you want to stop. Please don't forget to like my video, also share. If you have any request for other kind of edits, you can drop it down on my comment section. I I I love editing a lot. I love trying out new things. And if you want to see a video of how I do my intro and how to do I don't know. I don't know. Just put it down here. I'm just gonna do it how I do a beauty guru intro. I'll make sure I do it based on request. Okay, at this point, I just decided to zoom the star in a little bit because I want the star to just be around the background. I don't want it interrupting the image. So I just want it at the background. So I'm zooming in. And I think I like it like this. You can decide to add more drama if you want. It's just a choice. So for me, I am okay here. And I'm just going to save that and go ahead to the FX icon again. I want to put in some filters, so when you do stuff like this, filters makes it comes out nice. So we're just going to go straight to the FX button icon down there. There are a lot of options here, so I like to play around. Normally I use noise, but depending on the background I'm using, but for me noise here is, I need this image to look really, really, really cartoonish. So I'm just going to play around and check, and decide to settle for one. You can just check. You can see this. You can see the HDR or stuff like that. There are a lot of to see around, and you just pick what is best and what you feel you're okay with. And I'm picking that. When you're doing it, you will see, then you can just save your image. So guys, we have come to the end of this video. If you love this video, please give it a thumbs up, also like and also share. Thank you guys for watching. See you in my next video. Bye guys.